In the teeming urban jungle of Newford, a young lady named Emma had a reputation for her legendary frugality. She was no ordinary penny pincher. Emma was the empress of economizing, a well-known champion of saving every single penny. She believed that each coin had its own voice, insisting, "Spend me not." Her friends jokingly crowned her Emma the Economizer. She was an expert in stretching a single dollar to its maximum limits, making it seem almost supernatural. Emma was the living epitome of the saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned." This motto was so dear to her that it was almost an essential part of her being. Emma's bank balance was a testament to her disciplined saving habits. It was a towering monument, built brick by brick from her conserved pennies and dollars. It was a sight to behold, and an inspiration for those who wished to be as thrifty. Her frugality was a source of amusement for her friends. Emma's thrift reached a humorous pinnacle when she would use a single tea bag for an entire week, making the phrase "more tea, vicar" a whole new spectacle. However, life has a way of introducing changes when least expected. Newford was on the brink of significant inflation, a concept Emma had only touched upon in her economics class. She was about to face a reality check, challenging her extreme views about money. Yet in the unpredictable theater of life, change is the only headliner, and for our dear Emma, a tsunami of change was about to make landfall. Newford was teetering on the edge of a swelling inflation wave, an idea Emma had only flirted with in economics class. Little did she know, her amusing and extreme notions about money were about to be put through the ringer. In the dimming light of one evening, Emma overheard a financial advisor, Mr. Hudson, profess, "In times of high inflation, savers are losers." This information rattled Emma profoundly. Anxiety washed over her, shifting her perceptions about saving money. Anxious yet curious, she decided to confront Mr. Hudson. Thoughts raced through her mind as she towards him. She wondered how saving could lead to loss, and why her savings weren't enough. Before we delve into their conversation, envision Emma's astonishment like an animation, her eyes popping wide and mouth dropping open. Now shift your focus to her friends who also heard Mr. Hudson's declaration. They too were stunned, their faces frozen in bewilderment. As Emma reached Mr. Hudson, his calm demeanor was a stark contrast to her disarray. With patience, he began to demystify the financial world for her. He explained how inflation, a concept from her economics class, was silently eating up her savings. With an example, he illustrated a 5% inflation's effect on her $10,000 savings. The animation shows her savings, her treasure, dwindling. But that was not all. He also explained the implications of taxation on interest income. The stark numbers and the reality they painted left Emma and her eavesdropping friends in disbelief. But amidst the disbelief, a spark of understanding was this moment was a turning point for Emma, causing her to reassess her saving strategies. She understood, maybe for the first time, that her obsession with saving wasn't the surefire path to wealth she'd believed. With this realization, the gears of change began to turn. Emma's captivating journey into the intricate world of finance was officially underway. Emma began to embark on a journey down other financial avenues, plunging into books and attending finance seminars. She discovered a myriad of financial tools that she hadn't known before. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate. They transformed into the building blocks of her financial dream house. Emma realized that stocks, a piece of a company's worth, could yield soaring returns but also drop sharply. She learned about bonds, which are loans to the government or companies that offered a consistent return, making it a but less exciting investment option. Mutual funds, a mix of stocks and bonds managed professionals, offered a balance of risk and security. Real estate, though it required a large down payment, could a steady income and potential appreciation. Emma understood that these investments had their own risks and rewards, and putting all her resources in one place was a risky strategy. She explored diversified portfolios, spreading investments across different assets to manage risk and maximize returns. Emma also learned the role of taxation. She found out that the interest she was making on her savings was reduced by taxes, shrinking her profits. She then sought advice from tax consultants, learning about tax-friendly investments to improve her returns post-taxation. This knowledge didn't come quickly. It took numerous hours of learning, reading, and advice-seeking. It was like preparing for a never-ending exam. But Emma was on a quest. She knew she had to adapt her financial strategy to fit the fluctuating economic conditions. Financial landscape began to transform. She maintained her habit of saving, but also ventured into investing. She created a diversified portfolio, investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate. Her initial attempts were amusing, yet educational. She had investments that enhanced her after-tax returns. Emma's portfolio started to grow, and she was making her money harder. She became a player in the investment game. Financial journey was challenging. She had to step out of her zone and navigate the uncertain waves of finance. But she knew that to increase her wealth, she had to do more than just save. She had to invest. And so, Emma's financial transformed, and she began to juggle saving with astute investments. She was no longer just a money in the city of Newford, but a shrewd investor, an inspiration to others, and a testament to the power of financial education and the courage to adapt. Emma became an advocate for financial education among her friends, frequently echoing the mantra that revolutionized her life. She evolved from a saver to an investor, lighting up the path of investment for her friends. They initially met this transition with surprise and playful jibes. Yet, under their teasing, Emma's teachings took root. They started assessing their own financial habits, realizing that savings alone didn't promise financial prosperity. Emma's journey inspired them, and they began echoing her strategies. They explored stocks, bonds, and real estate, grasping the significance of diversifying assets. They understood that storing money in a single place wasn't prudent. As they plunged deeper into finance, they established a modest investment club. This wasn't just a casual meetup. It was a group of keen learners on a shared journey to financial freedom. Their path wasn't smooth. They faced skepticism, doubt, and even failures. But they stayed resilient, viewing these setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. They discovered the power of unity, knowing they could rely on each other during uncertain times. They learned together, grew together, and formed a community of smart investors. Emma's tale and the financial wisdom she shared had a profound impact on her circle, evolving her friends into smart investors. They transitioned from mere savers, crediting Emma for their transformation. In an unexpected twist, Emma was chosen to address a local gathering about her financial journey. Emma, standing before an eager crowd, stuttered over her own name. "Hello, I'm Irma." "No, Emma," she corrected. The crowd chuckled, breaking the initial tension. With a shy smile, she shared her transformation from a diligent saver to an informed investor. She humorously mispronounced inflation as infatuation, causing more laughter. But through her anecdotes, she communicated an important: saving is vital, but it's just a part of the financial strategy. Balancing it with wise investments, that's the formula for financial success. Despite her occasional shaky voice, her message resonated with the audience, causing them to reevaluate their financial habits. A financial revolution sparked in the city of Newford due to Emma's words. The crowd, previously content with their savings, started understanding the importance of smart investing in an inflation-driven economy. Recalling Emma's initial stumbles and shared laughter, her friends formed an investment club, and Emma became an inspirational figure. The once simple saver had become a symbol of financial wisdom and resilience, along with a dash of humor. Voiceover. We hope you enjoyed Emma's journey and learned something new today. Her tale is a testament to the power of financial education and the impact it can have on an entire community. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Emma's journey? How do you balance savings and investments in your financial strategy? Share your insights in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, consider subscribing to our channel. Not only will you get more content like this, but you'll also join a community of individuals committed to financial growth and education. Remember, every cent counts, and so does every subscriber. Join us on this financial journey and let's transform our financial futures together, one video at a time.